when you're talking about making a hand-painted brush that's seamless, um, you want to make your design out of fills. That would be my first advice. Um, I'm just going to use a black fill to make like a sort of plant looking thing. The question that I saw was it was kind of like a plant wreath that someone was trying to make. So I would draw, I'm using the blob brush and I would draw something, make sure it's all fills, make sure that everything's been expanded. And if you don't know what that means, let's say you drew your plant thing with a line brush, say, so something like that. And I'm using the lines. So if we take that and I'll make it more thicker, maybe like that. Give them some dimension, make them really fat. Okay, so if I did this with lines, I would have to make sure that the strokes were expanded from lines to fills, and all we do is just expand the appearance there. And the other thing that I like to do is I will use my shape tool to unite everything right there. So it's just all one big fill. I can then take my line tool and I'm just gonna split my my drawing anywhere I want it. You can do it right in the middle, doesn't matter. We select everything we have and then hit divide, and what that does is it's going to group everything. I can just ungroup it, and it also cuts it in half. So I'm going to group this half, and then I am free to move it away and group the other half. And then what I can do is see the ends are all matched up, like they're going to meet. So then I just move one and I'm holding shift to make sure that it stays at the right level. So it's seamless. See, I can move it back and forth. So if I want to make it longer, I can do that, or if I want to just smash it all together. But see how it's all seamless now. I'm going to use my Pathfinder again to unite everything. And then this can go into my brush menu. As simple as that, just as a pattern brush, and I will use tints. And I just like to do something here. Okay, so we'll move this out of the way so you can see the final result, which is if I make a circle and apply this brush, you can see that it's seamless. I'll shrink it down just a little bit so you can see what it's doing. And there is the seamless brush. I think I made it tintable so I can change colors and whatnot. That's why I made it black, so I can make it whatever color I want. I just like to do that. And that's how I do it.